Dentures delivered to your door. No dentist needed. AI custom fit and super cheap? Sounds like a breakthrough. Or a scam waiting to happen. Let's find out the truth about Omoeon Dentures. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into honest reviews and scam breakdowns, you're in the right place. Today, we're exposing Omoeon Dentures, what they promise, what people actually receive, and whether this is legit or something you should avoid. Omoeon Dentures are marketed as custom-fit dentures without dental visits, made with medical-grade materials, designed using AI technology, affordable alternative to real dental procedures. Basically, they promise professional results at a fraction of the cost, which is already a big red flag. Based on multiple investigations and user reports, many customers report receiving cheap plastic or rubber-like dentures, poor fit and uncomfortable design, products that look very different from ads. Some users report worse, wrong items or multiple random pieces, delayed shipping or no delivery at all, no response from customer support. Real review example. Received absolute trash. Nothing like advertised. 1. No dentist needed claim. Real dentures require precise measurements, bite alignment, professional fitting. A one-size or AI-only denture is not medically reliable. 2. No verified medical proof. No clinical studies, no verified dental certifications, no confirmed FDA approval. Claims are mostly marketing, not proven science.
3. Suspicious website practices. Reports show missing return policies, no clear contact details, heavy discounts, and urgency tactics. These are common patterns in scam-style websites. 4. Fake or misleading reviews. Stock photos used as customers, recycled testimonials, unrealistic before and after images. 5. Very low trust ratings. Trust scores as low as 30 to 47%. Poor user ratings, about 1 to 2 stars. That's a serious warning sign. Bottom line, you're trading quality and safety for a cheap price. Similar products, same category warning. These types of instant dentures or cosmetic teeth are common online. Important. These are usually cosmetic only, not real functional dentures. Pros and cons. Pros: cheap upfront cost, easy to order online, no dentist visit required. Cons: major, high scam risk, poor quality or wrong items, no proper fit or safety guarantee, no reliable refund system, can harm gums or oral health. Final verdict. So, is Omoeon Dentures legit or a scam? Short answer, very risky, possibly a scam. The product itself may exist, but the marketing is misleading, and the risk of getting low quality or unusable dentures is high. Honest advice. If you're thinking about dentures, do this instead. Visit a licensed dentist. Look for affordable dental clinics. Avoid too good to be true online medical products. Because when it comes to your mouth, cheap shortcuts can lead to bigger problems later. So, what do you think?